Hi guys, my name is Karim Zangaber, and today I want to show you how to do a dashboard. Okay, let's go. This is my data. So first I need to do some pivot tables, and I need a new sheet. So and I want to do it based on sea level. 1/2, and then see when the sea level rise, how many people are affected in terms of each level. And then as I have this, I think first I wanna is in a million though, so but I want to change the format, and I want to have 1 decimal, so it's optional though. And then here I want to do the chart to see the different, so columns are good, so I'm gonna let it be like this. So I'm gonna create dashboard by creating a new worksheet that I will name dashboard, and this is gonna be called a pivot table. Okay, I just leave it as a pivot. And then this, you're gonna cut it up or just Control X, and I'm just gonna paste it right here, Control V. And I'm gonna go back and do another insert, but this time I don't need to have a new worksheet because I already have a new the one existing worksheet that I called dashboard. Oops, yeah, I need to, sorry. No, this one, yes, exactly. Excuse me guys, I should have said a pivot table. So you just select where you want to put your pivot, so right here, and then you do this again, you come back, and now this time what do I need to do? I think I want to again go by sea level, and then see at this time as the sea rise, what is the impact on agricultural area is as in general. But oh, sorry guys, I should put this one in rows, so it's good. So I even want, let's do this again, man, guys. Let's just add the impact on urban areas. Good, so at least we could have 2 things to compare. And then this time, I don't want to have this. Let's see if we could do it as a line. Yes, but let's do it this side. Yes, the pie chart is good, it looks nice. Yes, so same thing, Control X, we go to the dashboard, and I want to leave it somewhere here, I want to change the format like this. It looks good, right? Just play around, just do whatever you feel like. And then this time, to not make a video too long, I'm gonna just stop here and just try to do slicers. Slicers are very important and very nice tool to use actually. And I want to have 2 columns, yes, and you can adjust it like this, and I'm gonna leave it right there below it. But I make sure I connect all the pivot tables so that once you do it, you could see the dynamic. So look, let's say we want to go just to see the impact of 1 meter. Boom, see, you want to see 4, and or I can even do like combination, right? Boom, see, I'm comparing 1 and 4th. So that's how you do the dashboard. I hope I made it good for you, and now you could carry on. So thanks guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.